One of the biggest problems with WordPress is that the media library and posts are not synchronized. This happens because when we add an image to a post, every change we make to the image in the post editor applies only to that post. In contrast, when we open the media library and edit the alt text of an image, that change is not applied to the posts that use that image, and the posts are left without alt text. This is a problem because search engines will not use the alt text of our images to understand our content, which affects their ranking. That's why we'll show you how to do it in a simple way using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin, which shows you all your media files in a spreadsheet where you can do advanced searches and apply the changes massively in a few minutes. You'll find a link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we are ready to search for all the post images. We will do this since the spreadsheet will show all types of files, such as videos, images, zip, audios, etc. It is necessary to search only for the images, since they will be what we will edit. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Select to filter all files associated to posts. Tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be Contains. Now we'll type image. And let's run the search to display all the images that are associated with our posts. After all the post images were filtered, we can edit the alt text individually directly in the spreadsheet, as we will if we were working in Excel or Google Sheets. Once we're done, just save the changes. If you want to add the same alt text to all the filtered images, we'll show you to easily do it. For this, open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select this option to edit the result from our search. Then, look for the field alt text, which is the field we want to edit. Select the set value operator. Now enter the alt text that you want to add here. And execute. Now, you just need to wait until the plugin finishes applying all the changes, and you'll be done. What could take you hours or even days, will take you just some minutes, thanks to the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.